JJ gives Kitty joy and love.
I love you so much, my fluffy tail.
I love you more than a veal bone.
Giant Mikey!
Why's there a human in our Zootopia?
Mikey the stray animal catcher. Follow my Instagram. Hey, I came to save you.
Help me!
I won't let him destroy our tribe.
I won't let you.
Why?
I'll deal with him myself.
After me. Get out of our tribe, Mikey. Don't do evil.
Don't touch her! Water Wolf! Get out of here right now!
JJ, no! Don't leave me.
I'll never leave you!
I love you. Mikey the catcher never loses. How could I forget about them? Hold on tight.
I won't let you go, animal kidnapper! Give my friends back!
Maybe I should scratch your belly too?
Sneaky window washers! It's time for Poseidon's Orb!
Will Poseidon pay for the broken glass too? No one hurts my boyfriend! Honey, get up!
They won't leave us alone!
We'll see about that.
Where should I look?
Try to catch me, Metal Cobra!
Hey, you're not from our tribe!
Oh, come on! Stop running from me! Turtles will always be slower than cats. Get out of our village! I'll leave only with a full trunk. I doubt it. Ouch! Give me the keys back! Oh!
You won't get far either.
Don't forget you're a dog, JJ! And now the second one! Out of the way, robot! K9, good boy! And you're a bad kitty, Kitty! You have no idea how bad I am! Oh! Ouch! The games are over, Kitty! Get that to your friends!